Imagine the ancient wisdom of Stanislas de Guaita, revealing nature's sign manual etched into the beasts around us, a dark sigil of occult truths. Gaze upon the octopus, its writhing tentacles evoking premonitory horror, a curse woven into its very form. The scorpion's arched sting whispers venomous hexes, while the crocodile's armored jaws embody primordial dread. Felines prowl with a ferocity stamped in shadow. Birds of prey, soaring as harbingers of noble savagery, untouched by the spider's manifest impurity, that foul weaver of profane webs. These are no mere animals. They are living grimoires of dark magic, their essences potent for rituals, invocations, and the warrior's arcane adornment. Unlock these esoteric secrets at darkbargain.org. Visit darkbargain.org now.
Made with 1703.co.